Welcome to Bolzano, northern Italy, where millions of tons of apple waste transform into sustainable fashion.
South Tyrol produces over 950,000 tons of apples annually, making it Europe's largest apple region.
After juice production, 25% of each apple becomes waste. Cores, peels, and seeds destined for landfills.
This apple pomace, traditionally discarded, contains valuable cellulose fibers, perfect for material production.
Frumat collects over 400 tons of apple waste monthly from 15 juice production facilities.
The pomace travels just 30 kilometers to Frumat's processing facility, minimizing carbon footprint.
Founded in 2004 by inventor Alberto Vulcan, Frumat pioneered apple-based material innovation.
Each batch undergoes testing for purity, ensuring no contaminants affect final material quality.
Initial cleaning removes dirt and foreign particles through automated water filtration systems. Optical sensors identify and remove non-apple materials with 99.8% accuracy.
Clean pomace consists of 60% peels, 30% cores, and 10% seed material.
The entire sorting process takes just 45 minutes per 5-ton batch. Sorted material enters climate-controlled storage, maintaining 15 degrees Celsius temperature to prevent fermentation. This waste diversion prevents 8,000 tons of CO2 emissions annually, compared to landfill disposal. Each production day process pomace 3 tons of opasser. The receiving facility operates 24/7 during peak apple harvest season from September to November.
Dehydration occurs in specialized chambers reaching 65 degrees Celsius, preserving cellulose fiber integrity.
Pomace spreads to 5-centimeter thickness, ensuring uniform moisture removal across all layers. Over 18 hours, moisture content drops from 75% to less than 5%.
Real-time sensors adjust temperature and airflow, optimizing energy efficiency by 40%.
Dried pomace loses 80% of its original weight, but retains all essentials.
High-speed grinders pulverize dried pomace at 3,000 RPM into fine particles.
3-stage milling reduces particle size from 10 millimeters to 50 microns.
Vibrating sieves separate powder by particle size, ensuring consistent 50-micron grade.
The final powder resembles cinnamon, soft, fine, and rich in natural cellulose fibers.
Microscopic analysis reveals intact cellulose chains measuring 20 to 50 nanometers in diameter. Every batch undergoes 12 quality tests, including pH levels, fiber length, and contamination screening.
Approved powder fills 25 kilogram bags, each sufficient for producing 200 square meters of leather.
Climate-controlled storage maintains 40% humidity, preserving powder quality for 6 months. Every week, 15 tons of apple powder travels 500 kilometers to Mabel SRL in Florence.
The journey crosses Tuscany's rolling hills, connecting innovation with traditional craftsmanship.
Mabel SRL has manufactured synthetic materials since 1978, pioneering eco-friendly alternatives.
Since 2010, Mabel has specialized in apple skin production, becoming Europe's leading producer.
Mabel's 8,000 square meter facility produces 2 million square meters of apple leather annually.
Production begins by combining apple powder with polyurethane binders in precise 50-50 ratios.
Plant-based polyurethane derived from natural oils provides flexibility and water resistance.
Eco-friendly pigments create 50 standard colors from classic black to vibrant fashion hues.
Special additives enhance durability, achieving tensile strength of 600 newtons per 5 centimeters.
High-torque mixers operate for 90 minutes, creating perfectly homogeneous liquid compound. Quality control tests viscosity every 15 minutes, ensuring optimal coating properties.
Sustainable canvas backing uses 70% organic cotton and 30% recycled polyester fibers.
German-engineered coating machines apply mixture with micrometer precision at 15 meters per minute.
Doctor blades spread mixture uniformly, maintaining consistent 0.8 millimeter thickness. Infrared heating begins curing process, bonding apple fibers to canvas backing. 3 coating passes build thickness to 1.2 millimeters, matching premium leather specifications. The 50-meter drying tunnel maintains 80 degrees Celsius temperature for 20-minute cure time. Progressive temperature zones ensure complete solvent evaporation without material stress. Thermal imaging detects temperature variations within 0.5 degrees, ensuring uniform curing. The freshly cured material undergoes visual inspection for surface defects and coating uniformity.
The material exhibits authentic leather texture with natural grain variations from apple fibers.
Production rolls contain 100 meters each, representing 1 day's output per coating line.
Tensile testing, abrasion resistance, and flexibility tests occur every 10 meters of production.
Spectrophotometers ensure color consistency within delta E less than 1.0 tolerance.
Cured material rests 24 hours, allowing complete chemical stabilization before finishing.
Finishing processes add texture, embossing, and protective top coats to enhance durability. Heated embossing rollers create 25 distinct texture patterns from smooth to deep grain. Embossing occurs at 120 degrees Celsius under 50 tons pressure for permanent pattern retention.
Apple fibers compress into intricate patterns, mimicking premium full-grain leather appearance.
Options range from smooth Napa finish to rugged pebble grain textures.
CO2 lasers etch custom designs and brand logos with 0.1 millimeter precision. Automated perforation creates breathable patterns for sneakers and athletic applications.
Water-based polyurethane topcoats provide UV protection and stain resistance.
Ultraviolet curing hardens topcoat in 30 seconds, eliminating VOC emissions. Variable speed buffers achieve finishes from matte 5 gloss to high shine 85 gloss.
Hydrophobic coatings achieve water contact angles exceeding 110 degrees. Martindale testing shows 100,000 cycle durability, qualifying for automotive interiors.
UV exposure testing confirms color stability equivalent to 5 years of outdoor exposure.
Material maintains properties from -20 to +80 degrees Celsius.
Trained inspectors examine every meter for defects, ensuring 99.5% first quality rates.
Minor defects receive second quality rating, sold at discount for less demanding applications.
Standard rolls measure 30 meters by 1.4 meters wide, totaling 42 square meters.
Each roll receives unique QR code tracking batch, color, texture, and production date.
Independent testing certifies materials meet international standards, including REACH and OECOTEX.
Gas chromatography confirms zero formaldehyde, phthalates, and heavy metal contamination.
Life cycle assessment shows 85% lower carbon footprint compared to bovine leather production. Water consumption reduces by 90% versus traditional tanning processes, requiring 16,000 liters per hide. 95% of production waste returns to composting or energy generation through biogas.
Climate-controlled warehouse maintains 20-degree temperature and 50% humidity for optimal storage.
Over 500 brands, including Hugo Boss, Tommy Hilfiger, and Volkswagen, specify Apple leather. In-house Color Lab develops custom shades within 72 hours for minimum 500-meter orders.
Designers receive comprehensive sample books with 200 color and texture combinations.
Daily shipments reach fashion houses in Milan, Paris, London, and New York within 3 days.
Monthly container shipments supply growing markets in United States, Japan, and Australia.
Quarterly workshops train 200 manufacturers annually on optimal Apple leather fabrication methods.
Florence showroom features handbags, shoes, furniture, and automotive samples demonstrating versatility.
Personal consultations help brands integrate sustainable materials into their collections seamlessly. Fashion applications range from haute couture accessories to mainstream footwear and apparel. Home furnishing sector values Apple leather's durability for high-traffic commercial and residential furniture.
Watch manufacturers create premium straps, combining sustainability with classic craftsmanship.
Material cuts like traditional leather, compatible with standard industrial cutting equipment.
Standard needles and threads work perfectly, requiring no specialized equipment or techniques. Heat embossing, foil stamping, and laser cutting yield results identical to animal leather.
Retail prices match premium synthetic leather while offering superior environmental credentials.
78% of consumers report willingness to pay premium prices for verified sustainable materials.
Major fashion weeks in Milan, Paris, and New York showcase Apple leather in luxury collections.
Ongoing research aims to increase Apple content from 50% to 70% within 2 years.
Fully biodegradable formulations using bio-based polyurethane enter production testing in 2026.
Industry collaborations explore combining apple fibers with grape, orange, and mushroom materials.
Planned capacity expansion will triple production to 6 million square meters by 2028.
European Union regulations incentivize bio-based materials, accelerating market adoption.
University partnerships develop curriculum educating next generation of sustainable fashion designers.
Frumat received 15 International Innovation Awards, including European Environmental Prize in 2023.
Apple farmers earn additional income selling waste previously considered disposal burden.
From discarded apple waste to luxury fashion material in just 7